Hello, German 1A. This is Herr Kuchta, and this is a new website for our class. The website itself is actually very old, but I just want to show you how to navigate it. You're going to start with So sagt man das, click there, and you're going to drag these phrases down to the pictures that match them, and then click on Next Activity, and then fill in the blanks with the correct question words. So that's something that we learned recently. So let's try, I'll put in the wrong answer, check my answer, and it says try again. So I'm going to try maybe V, check my answer, and it says richtig, super, that's right. Okay, next activity. Then these students are introducing themselves. For each person, type his or her age in the blank. So you type the number that you read. So 20, let's see. Yep, got it right. All right. And then the next activity. Fill in the blank with form of sein. So let's see. Wie alt blank der Ahmed. So I'm trying to conjugate the verb sein for Ahmed. And I know that Ahmed's a guy's name, so it's ist. Wie alt ist Ahmed? Let's check our answer. Yes. All right, and then moving on. Oh, this one might be challenging, but test your geography. Where do you think Bayern is? I think I've talked to you guys about Bayern because I used to live there, and I know it's right here, and I got it right. So test your knowledge of the federal states of Germany. And then test it some more. We probably all know at least where Berlin is. These are all cities in Germany. They're the capitals of each federal state. We can't do this because the sound is always broken on this one. So skip 7A. Do 7B. All you do is drag the words down. And I believe that is it. Yep, that's it. And you can go back to the main menu if you need to. All right, thanks. Enjoy.